Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to download Fortnite without using the Epic Games Launcher. First, open your internet browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Fortnite and press enter. Look for the official Fortnite website, which is fortnite.com, and click on the link to open it. Once you're on the Fortnite website, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the download button. At this point, the site will show you several options for playing Fortnite. The first option is downloading it through the Epic Games Launcher, but since we don't want to use that, scroll down to see other options. These options include Amazon Luna Streaming, GeForce Now Streaming, and Xbox Cloud Gaming. Depending on your preference or the service available to you, you can select one of these options to proceed. For example, if you want to use GeForce Now, click on it. This option allows you to play Fortnite through cloud streaming on platforms like Windows PC, Mac, iOS Safari browser, Android devices, and certain smart TVs. Once you click on GeForce Now, you'll be redirected to their website, where you can click on the Play Now button. If you already have an NVIDIA account, log in to access Fortnite. If not, you may need to sign up and follow the instructions provided. Alternatively, if you choose Xbox Cloud Gaming, click on it and you will be redirected to the Xbox Cloud Gaming page. This allows you to play Fortnite through streaming directly on a Windows PC or other supported devices. Again, you may need to sign in with a Microsoft account and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. If you decide to use Amazon Luna, select that option and you'll be directed to the Amazon Luna page. This service also supports cloud streaming on Windows PCs and other devices. Click on the Play with Luna button and follow the steps to set up Fortnite through the Amazon Luna platform. Each of these cloud streaming services provides a way to play Fortnite without needing to download the Epic Games Launcher. However, keep in mind that most of these services may require an account and sometimes a subscription. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.